Hello everyone, welcome back to Vikas YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share biggest breaking news, that is Mphasis announced onboarding date, that is on 16th August 2023. This is a screenshot from campus hiring team. Congratulations, we are initiating your onboarding to Mphasis. Your date of joining will be on 16th August. Please note the below terms and conditions related to your onboarding. Those who haven't received the onboarding mail, I request you to wait because few members also got the date of joining on 27th August 2020. At the date of joining, you need to carry all your semester mark sheet and degree certificates which are mandatory. PAN card, Aadhaar card and passport are also mandatory documents. In case if you don't have passport, go apply today. You can carry the passport application form at the date of joining. You are required to work in any shift as per business requirements. You are required to be flexible to relocate to any location as per the business requirements. That's all for today's video. If the information is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Vikas YouTube channel.